Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to view all your lists on WhatsApp. If you're looking to organize your chats and access your custom lists effortlessly, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where your chats are displayed. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots stacked vertically. This is the menu button. Tap on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various features of your WhatsApp account. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice an option labeled Lists. Tap on it, and voila! You'll now see all the lists you've created or have access to. These lists allow you to group and filter your chats by categories like family, work, or friends, making it easier to stay organized. And that's it! With just a few simple taps, you can view all your lists on WhatsApp and enjoy a more streamlined messaging experience. If you haven't created any lists yet, consider setting some up to keep your chats organized and accessible. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy chatting!